encountered that situation where we're like, okay, this person is just going to serve a hookup buddy purpose, so very short-term goal, versus someone we're like, wow, I really care about them, I want them to be in my life, and so we're thinking a little bit more long-term. We treat those two situations a little bit differently in how we respect them and the messaging and how we attract them. So think about it in terms of your body. If we're looking for a hookup buddy with our body, we're probably looking for more short-term results. We're looking at, oh, I need to lose 5 pounds for spring break, that's in like 1 week. So we start thinking about things like having a lack mindset, or, oh, I need to do HIIT exercises and cardio every single day, I need to do juice cleanses, which, you know, like it will serve its purpose, and then you revert back to, oh man, I want more long-term results. So when you go into it with intention, with those long-term results, you start thinking and treating that situation differently. So you're probably, if you're thinking about long-term relationships or long-term transformations, you're thinking, wow, I need adequate rest, I need to feed myself properly and have good cheat days or treat days, and I need to make sure that I'm creating a healthy mindset and respect for my body. I think that a lot of people don't realize that social media is the same way. I could definitely be posting a booty pic every single day and grow my reach and following so much faster, but I'm very careful because I see it as a long-term success and long-term investment in my legacy. So therefore, I very carefully craft my content to attract the right people and build a right foundation. So I want you guys to keep those factors in mind. Are you treating your body and your business as a hookup buddy or as a relationship? This is exactly how I waste my pre-workout. I used it to make this discussion instead of being at the gym an hour ago, and now it's about to be crowded. All right. This is why I love you guys, and I'm actually trying to leave a legacy and educate you guys. I need to do more of this on YouTube, so